Hello there. Today I'm doing a small canvas with a blow dryer blowout on it. I have put nothing down on the canvas, it's just bare, and I want to use up leftover paints which I made up 2 or 3 weeks ago when I had some downtime and I had too many tubes of half empty or nearly empty paints. So I mixed some of them together and I did some of the colours separately, and quite a few of them I mixed with my favourite silver to give me some metallic colours. I'm a little bit disappointed because I didn't record what I was mixing, and I made up a colour here which is almost a purple black with the silver, and it's actually turning out to be quite a nice colour, but that's all I've got and I don't know how to remix any more of it. And with that I will be using ultramarine blue mixed with silver and turquoise mixed with silver, and in previous videos, if you've watched them, I tell you how I mix my silver and metallic colours up. So I'm going to put those colours down onto the canvas and possibly use balloons as well, I'll see. And of course I'm going to use my hairdryer to blow something out onto the canvas. So I'll start now. as you can imagine, I'm very, very happy with this, and you can probably understand now why I'm so disappointed that I don't know what this is, because it's split up through the pattern. It's just so pretty, and I'm going to probably paint around it the edges of the picture with white paint, or possibly I might even use a pale gold behind this just to finish the painting off. But I'm so pleased with it. I will now bring it up to show you closer to in the light, and I'm hoping it doesn't blur as you're looking at it, but you can see how that dark purple black colour has broken up in the middle, and even when I put the torch over it for these little ones, it's just, I'm so pleased with it. It's just really beautiful. All the little lines in there, in the turquoise there, and of course just hints of the ultramarine blue, but there's enough there to make it interesting. So I'll definitely be trying that again. I think probably what I'll be doing is pre-coating a few of these small canvases, because I've got quite a lot of them, so that I can have fun making things like this, because it just amazes me how the paints change once they're put down in acrylic paint pouring. And that's it from me for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.